understand the steps of creating a new presentation. To create a new presentation, follow the given steps. Click on the File tab, then go to New option. From the available templates and themes pane, choose the blank presentation option and click on the Create button. Or simply double-click the blank presentation option. A new presentation with the blank slide will open in the PowerPoint window. The default slide that appears when you create a new presentation is Title Slide Layout, which displays the dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. To add a new slide, click on the New Slide button on the Home tab. To change the layout of active slide, click on the Layout button and select the desired layout from the list. Students, note that to create a new presentation in PowerPoint 2007, click on the Office button and select the new option. Let us understand how to add text into a placeholder. To add text inside the placeholder, follow these steps. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. The cursor appears in the text box. Type Computer Department. Click inside the Click to Add Subtitle placeholder. Type Learning with Fun. You will notice that the entered text appears on the slide. Now let us talk about saving a presentation. It is important to save your work at regular intervals so as to avoid data loss because of any hardware or power failure. Follow these steps to save a presentation. Click on the Save button present on the Quick Access toolbar or select the File tab, then Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Specify the name My Presentation in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. The presentation will be saved with the name My Presentation and with an extension .pptx. Now let us talk about closing and exiting the presentation. Closing a presentation. Click on the File tab, then go to Close option. The presentation will be closed, but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. Exiting a presentation. To close or exit PowerPoint application, click on the Close button on the title bar or click on the File tab and select the Exit option. The Microsoft PowerPoint application will be closed. Students, to exit a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, click on Office button, then Exit PowerPoint. Now let us talk about opening a presentation. There are 3 ways to open an existing presentation as shown below. Number 1. Click on the File tab, then go to Open option. Number 2. Click on the Open button on the Quick Access toolbar. Number 3. Click on the Open a PowerPoint file option in Reuse Slides pane. Using method 1 and 2, the Open dialog box will appear. Select any file, example, Activities of the month, as shown in the figure. Click on the Open button. Using method 3, as shown in the figure, the Browse dialog box appears. Select the file and click on the Open button. Okay, let us talk about slide layout. A slide layout refers to the general arrangement of various components of the slide. It provides you with different ways to position your text, images, and other graphic options. Microsoft PowerPoint offers various slide layouts for different purposes. Let us have a look and briefly learn about the features of some commonly used slide layouts. Title slide. Using this layout, you can give title and subtitle to your presentation. Title and content. This is the default layout. It contains two placeholders, one for the title and the other one for adding any text or graphics like charts, pictures, etc. Comparison. In this layout, you will find a placeholder for the title and two placeholders on the left and right side for adding either text, graphics, or both. Picture with caption. The upper part of this layout is used to place only a picture. The lower section holds a placeholder where you can add title or caption for the picture.